Get IMG. Get IMG plot twist. The mischievous AI art tool is here to twist your perception of image generation. It's like having a digital Picasso at your fingertips, ready to surprise you with its quirky creations. With Get IMG, you'll embark on an adventure through a world where AI technologies merge to bring forth mind-boggling photos based on your inputs. No boring, predictable images here, only fresh and original artwork that will make your imagination dance. But hold on to your hats. Get IMG takes its editor to a whole new level of mischief. It unleashes its magical powers, allowing you to add missing elements to any photo. Ever wondered what your pet would look like wearing a crown and playing a saxophone on top of Mount Everest? Get IMG plot twist can make that happen. It's a tool that encourages you to push the boundaries of art and create stunningly huge works that will leave jaws dropping. DALL-E 2 DALL-E 2 by OpenAI is not your ordinary artist. It's an AI magician that brings digital art to life with a flick of its virtual wand. This enchanting tool allows you to summon a world of endless possibilities with just a prompt. No technical expertise or creative training required. With DALL-E 2, you become the master of the art realm. Imagine waving your wand and conjuring up expert designs, realistic photographs, or even new company concepts. DALL-E 2 listens to your prompt and effortlessly produces 4 magnificent images that capture the essence of your idea. It's like having a talented apprentice who understands your vision and brings it to life with pixel-perfect precision. But here's the real wizardry of DALL-E 2. It doesn't stop at one spell. You can cast the generating process again and again until you achieve the perfect result. It's like having an infinite canvas where your imagination can run wild. So, whether you're dreaming up a magical landscape or a whimsical character, DALL-E 2 is your trusty companion, ready to turn your creative sparks into a dazzling masterpiece. Get your robes on, grab your wand, or rather, your keyboard, and let DALL-E 2 be your artistic guide through the mystical world of AI-generated art. It's time to unleash your imagination and witness the magic unfold. Fotor, the shape-shifting AI art tool, is a true gem in the realm of digital creativity. With its free AI picture generator, it becomes a versatile companion for artists of all levels. Whether you're seeking realistic face pictures, stunning backdrops, or even anime figures, Fotor's AI image generator has the power to make your artistic visions come to life. The beauty of Fotor lies in its simplicity. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can effortlessly navigate the tool and produce captivating AI-generated photos. Just enter your prompts, choose the desired effects, and watch as Fotor's AI weaves its magic, delivering unique and fashionable artworks tailored to your preferences. What sets Fotor apart is its flexibility. If you're not satisfied with the initial result, fear not. You can easily run the generating process again and again, fine-tuning until you achieve the perfect outcome. NightCafe AI. NightCafe AI, the artistic wizard of the digital realm, is here to unleash your creative powers. This mighty AI art generator doesn't just cater to seasoned artists. It welcomes beginners with open arms, ready to transform them into art superheroes. With its user-friendly interface and an arsenal of features and algorithms, NightCafe AI equips you with the tools to conquer the art world. But wait, there's more. NightCafe AI knows that art should be accessible to all, so it generously offers a sizable free tier and creative credits that rain down like confetti. No need to slay dragons or sell your soul for artistic expression. NightCafe AI has got you covered. Whether you crave the elegance of traditional paintings or the boldness of contemporary masterpieces, NightCafe AI serves up a delightful array of design options. So, put on your creative armor, grab your virtual paintbrush, and let NightCafe AI whisk you away to a realm where imagination knows no bounds. Get ready to create art that will make even the Mona Lisa raise an eyebrow in admiration. Artbreeder, the artistic alchemist, is a magnificent AI-powered tool that will leave you mesmerized. This enchanting platform combines machine learning with your imagination, allowing you to create a multitude of artistic wonders in one place. From breathtaking landscapes to captivating anime figures and striking portraits, Artbreeder grants you the power to shape and mold your artwork with ease. But that's not all. Artbreeder possesses a magical ability to transform facial traits like skin tone, hair color, and even eyes. It's like having your very own art sorcerer that can summon unique and vibrant characters from your imagination. With the added bonus of organizing your creations into folders, Artbreeder becomes the ultimate artistic companion. Deep Dream Generator, the visionary artist's secret weapon, takes image generation to new dimensions. This AI-powered tool is like a kaleidoscope for your creativity, transforming ordinary pictures into extraordinary visual journeys. With Deep Dream Generator, you can bring your wildest dreams to life by adding thousands of different art styles to your images. But hold on tight, because Deep Dream Generator doesn't stop at just creating captivating visuals. It specializes in turning ordinary moments into extraordinary snapshots of another era or location. It's like having a time-traveling artist as your personal assistant, ready to transport your images to new realms of imagination. With its credit system, Deep Dream Generator adds an element of anticipation to your artistic adventures. Deep AI, the artistic maestro, invites you to step into the realm of open-source creativity. This magnificent AI picture generator is a treasure trove of endless possibilities, offering realistic and high-quality images that will leave you in awe. With Deep AI, the power to produce captivating and original photographs is at your fingertips. Unleash your artistic prowess with Deep AI's extensive customizability. Adjust the level of detail, play with colors and textures, and mold your image according to your creative vision. It's like having a viral workshop where you can sculpt your artwork to perfection. But that's not all. Deep AI's magic extends beyond traditional imagery. With a simple command, it can transform your words into stunning vector drawings, giving your creations a unique and artistic touch. The world of illustrations comes alive under the guidance of Deep AI, offering a multitude of options to satisfy even the most discerning artist. Embrace the power of open-source art generation with Deep AI. Let your imagination run wild as you create a gallery of stunning and customizable images. With Deep AI, there are no limits to your creativity. Prepare to be captivated as your ideas come to life with every stroke of the virtual brush. Jasper Art, the artistic chameleon, is a versatile tool that invites you to explore a world of artistic possibilities. This AI-powered wonderland caters to all artistic mediums, allowing you to effortlessly switch between photorealistic images and whimsical cartoon-style creations. With Jasper Art, you'll find the perfect artistic medium to bring your imagination to life. Signing up for Jasper Art is like gaining access to a secret realm of artistic enchantment. Simply enter your desired text, and let the magic unfold before your eyes. Whether you're seeking a realistic depiction or a fantastical interpretation, Jasper Art takes care of all the heavy lifting, leaving you free to bask in the glory of your artistic creation. But here's the real treat. Jasper Art doesn't believe in leaving its mark on your masterpieces. There are no watermarks to spoil your artistic vision. It's like having an invisible assistant who works tirelessly to bring your ideas to fruition while giving you all the credit. Starry AI is a groundbreaking tool that unleashes the true potential of your creativity. With its AI image generator, it effortlessly translates your written words into stunning visual masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. Whether you envision abstract and ethereal compositions with Altair or captivating narrative-driven artwork with Orion, Starry AI caters to your artistic aspirations. What sets Starry AI apart is not only its ability to transform your ideas into remarkable visuals but also the freedom it grants you. As the creator, you retain complete ownership of the artwork produced. This means you have the autonomy to use and even monetize your creations, opening up exciting possibilities in the world of digital art and NFTs. That's all we have for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.